Hi everyone, and welcome to our 2018 Garden Trends video series, where we take a deeper look into the 7 garden trends detailed in our Garden Trends report. If you haven't checked that out, there is a link below in the description, and make sure you check out our previous video in the series as well. Today we're taking a deep dive into the Make a Splash trend. As public gardens and flower shows receive overwhelming positive responses to fountains and reflective pools, there's proof that water is more popular now than ever before. The new fountain display at Longwood Gardens to the Chelsea and Philadelphia flower shows, water is the talk of the town. Water in the garden relieves stress and provides clarity too. Just sit by a reflecting pool or listen to a waterfall for a few minutes and you will feel it. But it's not just water and design. People are planting rain gardens and using plants to filter water where it hits the ground. These practices help with healthy water management while still keeping beauty in the garden. Here are a few ways to make a splash in your garden. Embrace storms and capture rainfall to not only help save water, but to also control storm water runoff. Choose native plants that are suited for wet conditions. Add a large water feature to your garden, such as a fountain, reflective pool, or pond. Any of these will provide serenity to your outdoor space. Go for classic elements such as smooth sides, metal chutes, and black stones, ensuring it will stay in style for years to come. And as always, for more information about our trends, subscribe to our YouTube channel and see what else we have to offer at gardenmediagroup.com.